friend of mine's brother had the disease, and he kind of brought a bunch of folks together to, put the event on in the first place, and never dreamed that first year in 1996 that we'd still be around in 2019 and still going strong, but that's kind of how it started. It's a special group of people who have a lot of passion, and they work incredibly hard, but they also have a lot of fun doing it, and they know how to do that. There are other fishing tournaments, and most, if not all, of those other tournaments are focused specifically on seeing who can catch the most fish on that day. We do that, but we're also focused on finding a solution and finding a cure for this disease. In our community, the name Kolar has been high profile for decades. The fine work that dealership has done in servicing families around this community. So when folks look and see Kolar, it's the Kolar Toyota ALS fishing tournament, they know it's going to be something of high quality, because that's the way Kolar is viewed in this community and has been for decades.